Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a Unice wig. It is a kinky curly wig with kinky curly edges, okay? So I did not bleach or pluck this wig this time. So all I did was just go in with my foundation color and put it all over the wig, the lace of the wig. And just throw the wig on, you know. I always put the adjusting straps on the tightest that I can, just so that it'll be easier for me to get the wig as flat as possible on my head before I glue it down, you know. So go ahead and get the position of the wig correct, the way that you would like it, lined up with your hairline. And I like to just put my hair up to get out the way. And then y'all know the drill. Go in with your scissors, cut up the middle, and then go in with your eyebrow razor to cut the sides off and get the jagged edge in the lace, so it's not like a straight line, okay? And you guys already know, to find this wig, just click the description box down below, and it will have all the links to the wig. I believe this is a 22-inch. I believe this is a 22-inch, y'all. But as I said, it will be in the description box down below. Get to cutting. And then you're going to hit that ear tab real quick with the scissors. Because if y'all don't got that ear area correct, that wig is going to irritate the crap out of you. So first I'm going to go in with my black even spray. And spray it along the hairline where I want the wig to sit. And just rub it in with your finger or whatever. Do this all over, and I do a total of 3 layers, and it lasts me a really good time, okay? Without having to do any touch-ups or anything like that. Rub it on in. I'm only going to show y'all 1 layer because who want to sit here and do that? And then pull the wig up to where you want it to sit. And then you're going to grab a rat tail comb to lay it flat, because you kind of don't want to use your fingers, you know? Your fingers have oils on them, and, you know, that kind of could help the lace come up. So now you're going to go in with your blow dryer while laying it down on the cool setting on your blow dryer. Not the heat, but the cool, and lay it down with the rat tail comb. And there you go. It's giving skin, okay? And then you want to go on top of the lace with the Got to Be Free spray. And just use your finger, because if you spray it directly on there, it'll spray a lot. And then, I mean, this is going to make your lace come up anyway, but it'll instantly come up even quicker than you putting it on your finger and putting it on there. So you got to work pretty quick, and then throw your lace band on top to secure. And you want to tie this as tight as you can possibly, okay? Yeah. So, and then once it's tied tight, you know, hit it with the cool blow dryer setting, and then take it off. Now, you guys see that I have a little cast because it had a little extra Got to Be spray on the skin. But easy fix, get a towel and wet it with some water and just wipe it off. Now, I'm just going to pull out these kinky edges and see what I'm going to do with it. Now, I don't know what happened to this clip, but all I did was use the olive oil mousse and put it on the edges so that they could curl up. I, finger coiled them with my finger and then just, brushed them down the way I want to. But that's it. So this is what it's looking like, you know. And this, I did wash this wig. So when you first get the wig, the curls seem way tighter than what they are here. But I washed in deep condition the hair. So this is what it will look like after you wash it. I decided to go in and do 2 braids at the top of my head. Now, y'all, I'm not even finna play myself, but I'm finna let y'all know, look, I play myself, because why one of my braids look crazy and the other one don't? Like, one of them is, they 2 totally different braids, girl. I don't know what I was doing. But y'all finna see, I sprayed the hair with some water, and I'm brushing it out with my paddle brush, and then I'm gonna go in with some Eco Styler gel on the, the edge part, and then the area where the actual middle part is, just to get it to lay a little flat or whatever, girl. Here we go. There go the Eco Styler. Cause y'all finna see, y'all finna see this monstrosity. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this, but y'all, the braids is not working for me. But I mean, they could have been cute. I was trying my best to make them look cute, but y'all will see. Just keep watching. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb that product through with the a rat tail comb, and then and then the paddle brush. Girl, get to the braid. Girl, get to the braid. Jesus. And don't y'all hate when y'all be doing y'all hair, or is it just me? Whenever I do my hair, I be making the ugliest faces. Why do I be so concentrated, but I be making the hideous face? Like, girl, what is you doing? Baby girl, what are you doing? Anyway, so just keep braiding until there's no hair left. Yeah. Don't forget, this is kinky curly hair, which is why my finger kept getting a little tangled. Think about it as your natural hair. Okay? That's how it be. That's how it be, especially when there ain't no product in there. So, yeah, just keep braiding, girl. Just keep braiding. See, it looks very promising here. It looks very promising here. Come on now, girl. Come on. Let's get witty. Whew. Why I ain't speed this up? Because, girl, this ain't no tutorial. I ain't teaching nobody how to do this because it didn't come out looking good, okay? This is not a tutorial on my braiding, okay? I mean, if you look at it right here, honestly, it don't look bad. It's just that the two braids didn't match. They was not the same braid at all. So, yeah, basically the hairstyle is just two braids, two French braids at the front, in the middle, and then all the rest of the hair is down and curly. You know the drill. So just braid. I just braided all the way to the bottom of the hair. Yeah. Okay, finally the braid is done. But as you can see, it kind of like stick up right on the side. Like you see. But I got to push back right now. So I'm just going in with my spray bottle, wetting the hair. And I'm just going to go and brush it with my paddle brush just to get the curls popping a little bit. But if you want your curls to really, really, really pop, use a Denman brush rather than your paddle brush because it will clump the curls together. But you will soon see that I am like gonna keep pushing that braid down after I look in the mirror and realize that one of them is like the one that y'all just saw me braid is way like sitting up higher than the other one. The other one looks fine. Why can't they both do the same thing? Like, I just don't understand. So it looks crazy, but whatever. But this hair is really, really pretty. It is super pretty. It's super soft. The kinky edges be scaring me sometimes just because, yeah, they love to say like, oh, it's to match your natural hair texture. But they kind of scare me because my edges aren't this texture. My edges, they do curl. But, you know, I just use edge control. Or gel. It's a wig. And if I use edge control, it's going to be caked up on my lace. And if I use Eco Styler gel, it's going to lift my lace. So I just be like, what am I supposed to use? But it looks okay. So right here, I'm just showing you guys that you could put it up in a ponytail. Obviously, without these stupid braids. But, you know, you get the deal. You get the deal. But you could put it up in a really nice ponytail. It's giving your hair, okay? And it'll look 10 times better if you decide to bleach the knot, which I normally do. But I was just trying to show you guys that you could, what the wig would look like if you were a beginner and did not know how to do any of those things. This is straight out of the package, just with a little wash. You can put it in a bun if you'd like. All of that, okay? But yeah, I'm going to wear mine down right now with my 2 uneven braids. But it is what it is, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later and click the links down below in the description box. Bye, y'all.